The main thing which is an obstacle for watching videos is not being able to concentrate. That is the main query, that is the main issue we all have. I have faced it. Like whenever I have been watching, if the video is of 3 hours, I would definitely take it for 5 hours maybe. And also sometimes I end up doing nothing, and also I just watch the video as I said in BTR loop, and do not incorporate those matter of reading into my brain. So what and how to tackle this kind of situation? So basically, while you are watching videos, what I would suggest, I have previously suggested the same, but now I am doing it separately so that you would be highlighted what pros you have in that aspect when you do videos like this. Okay, so let's get started. First thing, videos, whatever the length may be, if you are a person who cannot do things at a stretch, then I would suggest you to take a 40-minute section of the videos. So be it lengthy, be it short videos, just keep in your mind that you are keeping your presence of mind in that particular video at that particular point of time. That is the most important aspect while watching videos. First thing, don't be scared of watching lengthy videos. The main thing we all have is we see at the timing of the video, oh, this is 3 hours, I have to do it for 3 hours. You are easily watching a movie for 3 hours, but you are not interested in watching subject for 3 hours. That's how studies are. Okay, it's quite common, it's quite natural. So what are you gonna do is, just as I said in previous videos also, keep BTR video aside and keep BTR annotated PDF aside. Don't write any new notes now. Here are 4 benefits of doing this. Firstly, you will see the video and you will go through the points and images by your own eyes. If only ma'am is teaching and you are just listening, what happens, you will ignore some points. If you are seeing it in the PDF, you will have the concentration, like your eyes and ears are coordinated there. If you start writing new notes, then it is entirely different. You are seeing and listening, but you won't be able to remember then and there. If you are doing this in the annotated PDF, you will then and there remember points, which is a bit easier. Next time you do active recall or passive reading, it will be even more easier to remember things. So first of all, don't be scared of seeing videos. Second, go through it in the split screen parallelly. And third point, what are the pros of doing this thing like this? How doing this helped me a lot. So first is, you will have photographic memory. So as I said, when you are seeing the video and PDF aside, you will be able to concentrate on the images more. And if you have seen any annotated PDF by students which are posted in Telegram, they are written in their own language, which may or may not be feasible or understandable to you. So if you do this, you are not wasting your time in writing notes, as well as you can write the notes in your understandable way. So if you are seeing an image in anatomy, you feel like you did something is missing in that image, in that annotated PDF, you can just annotate it there, so that next time you need not go to the original video and you can just annotate it there. Are you getting me? Like, you can just write down the points which are not understood by you in the diagram or in the sentence itself in your own language. So the time is saved there. And also you will have the pictorial memory. Okay, I have seen this image like this. Otherwise you will not go into photographic memory that best if you do it separately. So keeping it parallelly aside, I think it would help you. Try it once and let me know how it helps you. There are many points which are not there in annotated PDF, and you can write them in the PDF itself then and there. You will not know. For suppose you are following annotated PDF and you are just listening to the videos, you will not know what points are there in the video. So if you are keeping it parallelly aside, you can know, okay, this point is not written in this PDF, and you can write it then and there, and forgetting it later, you can write it then and there. see, you will wonder that you can watch this much lengthy videos at a stretch, which previously you did not do. Like I used to do 10 minutes, 15 minutes, and then I drop, and then I see 15 minutes. That's how it went for me. So if you try and do this kind of thing, it will really change you, that you may go up to 30 to 40 minutes, and then eventually it will increase. Previously it would take 4 hours to 5 hours for a 3-hour video. Now it is taking 3.5 hours. So the time you go with the video is decreasing, so that you will have time for other things to do. And final most thing that I have observed is, you will know the wrong annotations in the PDF. For suppose I am following Dr. Karthik's annotated PDF from Telegram. So he done a very good job at annotating things. One thing I have observed is, when studying psychiatry, I have been studying this eating disorders, where he had written refeeding syndrome and galacturia in the bulimia. Actually it is at anorexia nervosa. So you will also notice if there are any wrong annotations, otherwise you will end up marking wrong answers. Either way, this is so much beneficial to do it like this. Just believe the PDF you are studying and annotate things which are not present here, and also identify the mistakes which are present in the PDF. I hope this helps you. The ultimate things that I have found in my preparation. If there are any additional things, I will definitely do another video regarding that in the future. For now, I think this is enough for your preparation. Thank you so much. Meet you in the next video. Bye bye.